Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers, to another video on Wull on the channel. So today we are going to discuss the weather report, and as you can see the description of the video, that we are going to elaborate on. Okay, viewers and the subscribers. So right now we're at a point where another best time for let guards down. As you can see, Elsa Storm, have been, giving Jamaica scattered showers across the island, and I'm not a weatherman, therefore I could Lego that pretty up some of this. So right now, the speculations are going around say we not gonna really get much of it, but I check the forecast and how it said. And this is not something where I come directly at me. You see, it a gaze way, and I can just imagine how powerful it is, and this not come straight at Jamaica, dog. Yo, we blessed boy, Anyways, we are suffer different type of damage headway, and it just less than 24 hours actually, and the place flood out like. Imagine if this it comes straight, dog. Chaja. I just want to say Jamaica bless, and I'm gonna share some footage of what go on.
Zaki lost. Zaki! You not too old for this, brother? Where are you dealing? Are you captain?
Don't know enough more information out there said way where the radar man are gonna come with, but as a vlogger we have to inform the people them said way, and at the end of my video them there's always an Instagram live with some form of drama.
Champagne bust in our face like when they ejaculate with it. No more. Yeah, man. Woman, the one you can have one day say, look for me, brother. Hey, one time, man, the coil. The blue cloud coil, man. The last kick bun. The last kick bun. Pressure. You can't eat a son. The last kick bun was crazy. You can't say, pressure, blood clot, one. Chubs. Yeah, Chubs. Big up yourself over triple Thursday. Mr. Chubs, make a money outside. Chubs, make. Oh, my brother alone. You know, say you make one trade. Lord, easy. Tree. Easy. Mr. Brother, even the thing cool. African come there silent. You remember when African they on the live with the 700,000? African they on the live with the 700,000, and I show you say, yo, yeah, be a money. And him if he come in a dance and talent. And him if he come in that talent, him surprise the whole night. Deadline, they must say, yo, I want to go off the ear like a scratcher. You feel like a... Yo, tell the people to buy some batch, man. They don't buy batch, man. They don't buy batch? They don't buy batch? No, buy them up. No, me I bought them up. Buy batch! For real, man. I can feel good. For real. I mean... Yo, last night. Yeah. Bro, listen. From here start. Not even from a bookings party, they know when me no go. What blood clot, sweet, some G. You see me, I did? When the bomb buckle there, man, everything 100 me G. Oh, gosh. You just know so we young and not do it. Remember say that the count out world out from them long time there. This a brother you will do it so. You see me? Then this a brother you not reach now you have blood clot. Done some four now, but now in a life. Why watch? Brother, make me proud of everyone. Make them all buy watch. But make me proud of everything. The bomb buckle. Oh, you buy them watch, man. What do you want? Hey, you buy watch, man. Yeah, man. I appreciate here, man. I want to hear far me G come from, and I love you. Yeah. Only not seen nothing yet. Only not seen nothing yet. You're my proud of money. Fuck dog. You see me I do yet. We'll see. Because no forward. When the dog will say, yo, Ray and Tay, I want to be honest. I want to be my proud of one dog. You know, Trippers a turn up last night. Every time when they show a buckle girl, I come right over food section. Nobody feel like them buckle is free. Not free buckle, no joke, my friend. Nobody feel like say a free buckle. Tier one, my proud that money fuck dog. Because you know, some of the old boy don't want to give us a young youth a chance. They didn't call the sugar daddy too much.
Yeah man, one out I clip.
Look at the fucking death. Yeah, man.
Last night was a joy. Joy.
Oh, say what, woman? I ever. How much me buy? Me no buy no buckle last night. You know, sister, nobody can get a charge. If you never hear about it. Only thing me could have buy last night. Here I said, Daddy, put some cranberry for the table.
No. she did it last night though. Mama was just coming.
Yeah, I said, Daddy, you put some shit on the table.
Mama, they did it last night, man.
Yeah. But you remember when you do say I be by the chase. Buy some chaser.
Chaser, they did it, man. Only for chaser too.
Be that chaser.
We couldn't run out of chaser last night.
Chaser, you fuck.
That, may I tell you. Chaser like Ross last night.
Yo, we said chaser like a Ross. Yo, you see two buckle and privilege of me, but it ended up staying there. Because when he was start put on the champagne, then my money swim me too fucking. My two fucking buckle. You know, I one cup. All time my privilege, me drink. I don't even know what they did there.
I come like with it tonight, man.
Me so sick, Lord. Look outside, one buckle around.
Yo, Dad, take up a buckle. I'm on it. Like then I said, oh God, dog. I'm looking over to that animal. She can't manage to go. I couldn't manage to go last night.
But take up the buckle. Come, you're a gay girl in buckle. And I say, yo, yeah, done. I mean, take up the buckle.
Yeah.
Heavy in me, boom, straight at it. I'm looking at myself. Truthful. Some of the boy couldn't look in on themselves on the right, I go vomit. Yeah, on the right, I go vomit. On the right, I go vomit, the fuck. Yeah, man, hero. Yeah, man. No, I didn't do that. You see me? Oh, I only end up here. I want you. So of course, man, anybody want bad vibes. Just let them go out bad vibes. I laugh. Yeah, me. When they come, I see Euro bus straight back to one time. One give a girl there, one give the other girl, and one here. So the one me having a man now, me dead me and rub me up. Leave me the rock, baby. There's me I did, me one vibes. And I said, G, this when me looking at myself, and me know, say me I go vomit, you fuck.
Yeah.
I tell this next part. Me have to look by hero.
I said, hold on.
You're that tree night. You see me I deal with? But here, I can show you how the thing they set now. One pull and then if you want the free flow, you know.
Free flow.
Some just go for a free flow. You get a one cup and just, you know?
People.
You know? Last night, active, man. Last night, active.
Bound the batch, you know, man.
Yo, I love it, man.
Tell the people to buy them batch, you know, them.
Walk on people, make sure someone buy the batch there. We just feel good right there. We feel good for you.
Yeah, man, just buy the batch, man.
Buy the batch. Right, no.